Reader's Workshop, Session 17. Readers investigate ways to make their reading sound great. Today I want to ask you, how do readers make their reading sound great? Sound really great. What does this reader do that I can try too? Let's see some ways we can make our reading sound great in Frog and Toad. Frog and Toad Are Friends by Arnold Lobel. Let's see if you can guess the way that I'm going to make my reading sound great. Spring. Frog ran up the path to Toad's house. He knocked on the front door. There was no answer. Toad, Toad, shouted Frog. Wake up! It is spring. Blah, said a voice from inside the house. Toad, Toad, cried Frog. The sun is shining. The snow is melting. Wake up! I'm not here, said the voice. What am I doing in my reading to make my reading sound fun and my reading sound really great? Are you saying Miss Trocey's scooping up the sentences and they're going very smooth? She's reading fluently? If you did, kiss your brain. So smart. Did you also think, hey, Miss Trocey's voice is a little different for each character. She's changing her voice. If you said that, kiss your brain. Super duper smart. Let me keep reading and continue to use my new strategy that makes our reading sound fun and different. Frog walked into the house. It was dark. All the shutters were closed. Toad, where are you? Called Frog. Go away, said the voice. From a corner of the room, Toad was lying in bed. He had pulled all the covers over his head. Frog pushed Toad out of bed. He pushed him out of the house and onto the front porch. Toad blinked in the bright sun. Help, said Toad. I cannot see anything. Still using different voices for the characters. So ways to sound like a reading star is you scoop up a lot of words. You look out for clues like dialogue. Your quotation marks will tell you that someone's talking. Change your voice to sound like the characters. So I changed my voice for Frog and Toad. And I kept my voice normal when I was the narrator. Show feelings. For example, when I said, go away, I changed my voice to show a feeling. Read some parts slow and some parts fast. Add sound effects. Bam! Whoosh! Read loud and clear. These are some ways to sound like a reading star. Tools for understanding books. Check that you're getting it. Make a movie to picture what's happening. Keep track of who's talking. Say the word the best you can. Think about what it means. These are all the strategies you can use to be the best reader you can be.